I am looking for a lot of men who have an infinite capacity to not know what can't be done. There is no disgrace in honest failure, there is disgrace in fearing to fail. Power and machinery, money and goods, are useful only as they set us free to live. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is a success. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goals. If I had asked people what they wanted, they would have said faster horses. Failure is only the opportunity more intelligently to begin again. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. It has been my observation that most people get ahead during the time that others waste. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason so few engage in it. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do, and then do it. There is joy in work. There is no happiness except in the realization that we have accomplished something. I cannot discover that anyone knows enough to say definitely what is and what is not possible. One of the greatest discoveries a person makes, one of their great surprises, is to find they can do what they were afraid they couldn't do. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. If money is your hope for independence, you will never have it. The only real security that a man can have in this world is a reserve of knowledge, experience, and ability. If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself.